Is wholesaling real estate even legal? What I want to do is give you my entire thoughts and guide on the legalities of wholesaling real estate and if it is legal or not right now. As a guy that makes millions of dollars wholesaling real estate around the country, I have a lot of opinions on this. So let's break it all down. Really interesting strategy. But auction.com does work pretty well. It's a great way to find deals. Now, the last part we got to talk about are wholesaling laws and regulations. I'll be honest with you guys, every single state has like a law or regulation when it comes to real estate, but some states go a little further and they have laws talking about what you can or can't do in wholesaling. I have very strong opinions on this. I believe 95% of wholesaling laws are actually unconstitutional and are not even valid in my opinion. And what I mean by this is, of course, a state might enact a law, but you have to enforce the law for it to be enacted. And what I mean by this is, if someone made a state law and I didn't go well with it, and the state wanted to fine me, I can go to the court and get it probably struck down because I don't think any of it's constitutional. But lo and behold, my lawyer told me, if the state has a law, just follow the regulations. There are ways to go around it. I would say double closing. So closing on the transaction, or maybe doing a double closing in escrow would be well. Every state's a little different on here. Let me just give you my raw piece of opinion on this. Just talk to your title company and say, what's the best way to do this with the state law? And they'll give you a great suggestion on how to do wholesaling in the state. Every single state in America, and I'll make this very clear, this is crazy, you can wholesale real estate in every state in America in 2026. There's just different ways you can do it, and every state's got a little different interpretation of how to do it the right way. Just talk to an investor-friendly or wholesale-friendly title company who actually has lawyers on staff and people who actually know what they're talking about. They will give you an opinion. Everyone who's not a lawyer is going to give their opinion on the internet on how to do this. Talk to a real title company and they'll give you an answer. For example, in the state of South Carolina or North Carolina, I'm not going to give you my legal advice on how to do wholesaling in that state. I would tell you go to Harry Marsh Law or 24-hour closing. I would call these people up and ask, okay, I'm a wholesaler. How can I go around real estate investing or wholesaling in the state? They have attorneys on file, and you can actually talk to these real estate attorneys and talk to them. And they're in all these areas in South Carolina and North Carolina. They'll show you exactly how to wholesale real estate the right way. So talk to actual like real estate attorneys, and they'll tell you how to go forward and wholesale. Legal in every single state. You just got to know exactly what to do. And I'm not going to go whole breakdown of every law in the United States. So either the assignment is going to be legal and good, you might have to double close, or sometimes you have to go out here and double close or buy, hold, flip for a minute. But every state's just a little different how you do it. But double closing solve most of the issues. And there's all these like intent laws. If you intend to assign, well, this double closing is not an intent to. Guys, I talk to a real estate attorney or title company. Every single state I do deals, and trust me, I just talk to attorneys. They tell me exactly what to do, disclosure, whatever I gotta do. Okay, cool, I'm gonna go do that. So whatever a lawyer or a title company tells you, just do it. Every state's to do is a little bit differently. Nothing to fear. Some states have regulations like Illinois, Nebraska, Oklahoma, Arizona, Kentucky, North Dakota. But like, to be fair, like everyone told me Illinois, you're banned to wholesale real estate, and I did a massive closing this year in Chicago. But they told me exactly what I had to do correct. I'm not going to say it, but in Illinois, the closing attorneys there tell me exactly what to do, and I do what they say because they're my attorneys. But stop being scared. I'll give you this too. A lot of title companies in Florida have told me wholesaling's banned. When I go to other title companies before, they say, no, wholesaling isn't banned. I have real estate attorneys say, no, wholesaling is legal. What are you talking about? Some attorneys and title companies will just tell you wholesaling is banned for no reason because they don't know what they're talking about. Talk to a real estate attorney. And they're